Good morning, everyone. Welcome to beautiful Denpasar this morning. We are about to take off on an adventure that we have never been on before.
Nothing even close.
Nothing even close. So what we're doing is we are going to try and do the big lap of Bali.
Yes.
On a scooter.
So we did about a half lap in our little van over 3 nights.
Which you can go watch over the last couple episodes we've uploaded.
Yeah, so we did that over 3 nights. So now we've given ourselves 6 nights to hopefully do a full lap of Bali.
Yes. So what we've done is we've condensed everything down into these 2 bags, which are incredibly heavy now. And the hotel is going to be holding them for us on our time away. So we do not know what we're in for. We've done a little bit of research and there seems to be some amazing places to visit.
Yeah, I'm so excited to get out.
So we've got to get down and check out because our scooter is actually being delivered right now. So we're late. I've got an email. We'll get this show on the road.
I forgot we're on the 3rd floor.
We've got to make our way down here with our suitcases.
At least it's not as heavy now.
Yes, it's all on our back instead.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
You ready, Megan?
Ready.
We've been given the rundown, guys, and it is a Yamaha NMAX 155. So we're all packed up, a bit nervous.
A little bit.
It's incredibly busy out there, so.
I think this is probably the hottest day we've ever experienced in Bali as well. It is stankin'.
And I've got a jumper on, just for a bit of extra protection.
Ready?
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, we will. Cheers. So we've arrived at our little homestay. This one was $27.
Was it 27 bucks?
Yeah, and it's beautiful.
Alright, we haven't opened this because we wanted to share the experience with you guys. So
I did see it out the window, little sneaky bit though.
A little bit of a drum roll, please. And 1, 2, oh. 1, 2, 3. Look at that.
Wow.
Reminds me a bit of my nonna's backyard. Every Italian person will know what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, we haven't even looked at the bathroom. Here, Meg.
Oh yeah.
You give us the tour of the bathroom.
Little room tour. So this is all sort of like our last homestay. Like the whole balcony was connected, and then we've got a little partition here. And she said that she'll bring us breakfast here in the morning, which is going to be beautiful.
And guys, she's such a nice lady. So nice. So here we go, Megan.
This is our room.
I can.
I was giving a room tour.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
So we have a fan, which I'm very excited about because Jack has been blasting the aircon every single night, and I'm freezing. So
I'm bloody hot, guys. I'm a hot man. Okay, now, dun 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 dun. The bathroom is
a little spacious shower.
It is very open.
Oh, that's cool.
There's no window. How cool is that? Here, guys. Here's the toilet.
I don't think anyone wants to see that.
It's good.
Oh my gosh. So I, was nervous about this little scooter trip just because, we've never been on a scooter that much before. But now I'm thinking it's actually going to be like a real challenge because I am sore. Like my butt and my back really hurt after only 1 hour
Classic.
on the scooter. So
you're going to have to work those glutes, baby.
I'm going to find it a bit difficult this week, I think, Jack.
We'll leave it. You're going to be fine, mate. She's going to be fine, guys. I'll leave up on the screen right now who we hired the scooter from and how much it cost us for 6 days because it was a little bit expensive, but the the way they delivered it, the way their website works was just amazing.
And
so
the insurance was the main reason.
Insurance, first aid kit, helmets provided, everything. So it was perfect. But anyway, what are we doing? Shower.
Shower for sure.
We're off to get some dinner, guys. We found a little warong on Google Maps. It's called Sweet Warong. And
sounds sweet.
All the reviews sound sweet. All the reviews say it's top notch. So we're going for our first little walk through Sideman here, and it is just stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, I hope we're saying that right. We'll have to check on Google. They have the thing where you can type it in and there's like a little man that goes Sideman.
Sideman.
But this walk just outside our homestay is just incredible. Oh, look,
Baby chicken.
look at all the chickens. Hey, don't run away. And a puppy. We are very lost. We've gone down the wrong street and we can't find out where we're going. Google Maps is taking us on a wild goose chase. Here's the main road, Megan.
It's a good thing we got brought out snacks pre-dinner because someone was about to have
we're getting angry.
Tantrum.
So guys, what's happened is the restaurant we wanted to go to, which is across the road, is packed. And I think we were expecting that. So unfortunately we can't go. We have to come back another time, but we're at another restaurant across the road. And I'm really happy we're coming because we got chips for a complimentary, what do you call it?
Snack, I guess?
A complimentary snack before dinner. So I'm pretty happy and very hungry. We have a gecko friend, and it is massive. Gecko friend? Alright, we're sleeping with a huge gecko, guys. We just walked in, and on the wall just here was this massive gecko, and it just ran straight behind there. Harmless, but wouldn't want to wake up
I don't want it crawling up my nose, though.
I don't want that crawling into my mouth, right? But I guess it is what it is. Oh, there's one. Look, there's a gecko. Anyway, we're sleeping with geckos. We'll see you in the morning. Oh, guys, wait till you see this. Good morning.
I wasn't prepared for this morning.
We made it.
Not quite.
Almost.
Alright. Well, it's kind of been one of those mornings today, guys. So first of all, actually, I didn't sleep very well last night. I had the old crampy tummy all night. And then there was a miscommunication with our homestay and we thought that we had to order breakfast in the morning. Turns out it was last night. So we couldn't get breakfast. And then the Wi-Fi at the homestay wasn't working. And neither was our phone internet wasn't working either. So we couldn't really find anywhere to go eat breakfast. So we just like scooted up and down. Did manage to find somewhere really cute for breakfast actually. It was really good and they were so friendly. But then we tried to rearrange the scooter so that hopefully I don't have as sore a back today, and we had like an AG1 explosion. So it's sort of one thing after the other today, but we're at this beautiful waterfall now, so
this is gonna
not too bad.
Hey, what's it called?
Gambling. Oh no,
we've forgotten what it's called.
I double checked, it is Gambling waterfall, but I think there's maybe 5 or 6 little pools for you to cool off in.
And we found our own little private one. Three. Go. Get in there. Is it cold?
It's freezing. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty though.
Look at the view. It's just amazing.
There's a guide down there helping everyone across the slippery rocks and it looks so nice. Okay, we're going to leave you there, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Don't forget to subscribe.